most welcome to the online training program of International Diploma in Occupational Health and Safety from Safety Catch. The first part of the program is going to be an introduction. As I know, some of you might be knowing me and our institute as you would have done some courses from us previously. But obviously there will be some new candidates joining this program. So it is a requirement that we should have an introduction of ourselves. About me, my name is Anil Gopinath. In academic profile, I began my career in the Indian Air Force. I completed the Airfield Safety Operations course with a topper of the batch. I have a bachelor's degree in Business Administration from Madras University. I have done Masters in Business Administration from Pondicherry University. I did my postgraduate diploma in Industrial Safety from Anna University. I have also done certificate in Industrial Safety Engineering from IIT Kharagpur. I completed an instructor course from the Indian Air Force. And also I completed a OSHA trainer course, which is certified by the US Department of Labor from RIT, New York. I have attended Train the Trainer and leadership program from American TESOL. I have also done a safety trainer course from DG Fastly, CLI Mumbai, and completed OSAS 18001 lead auditor course, and also scaffolding trainer course from STI USA. That's my academic background. About my professional profile, obviously since 1994 to 2010, I worked in the Airfield Safety Operations Department of the Indian Air Force, during which I was selected and was on deputation with United Nations in Emergency and Rescue Operations from 2004 to 2005. I retired from the Air Force on voluntary basis in the year 2010, and I started this organization, Safety Catch. About Safety Catch, we will discuss in detail later part. I am a safety consultant for Fujitsu EEF top offshore projects. My humble achievements are, I have a medal and commendation for outstanding professionalism, which is awarded by the Air Officer Commanding in Chief of the Indian Air Force. I also have a medal and commendation for outstanding professionalism by the Head of Office of the United Nations Service. I did prepare the syllabus for BSc Occupational Safety and Health Management for Bardiyar University as well as Punjab Technical University. Both these universities are conducting this program in India. I have trained more than 10,000 HSC professionals since 2010. Most of my students are working in different organizations across the world. I have also provided safety training and consulting for more than 45 corporate companies in India, Saudi Arabia and Qatar. Some of the corporate organizations where Safety Catch provide industrial safety training are shown here. Even though there are a lot many, but due to space constraints, we have included only a very few organizations on this list. There are many to show, and it is adding up every year. About the course, this International Diploma in Occupational Safety and Health is a nationally recognized professional qualification. It is for managers and practitioners with responsibility for health and safety in the workplace. It is a step towards the chartered status of IOSH to become a CMI IOSH, and further to progress to CSP, as well as to get full membership of the International Institute of Risk and Safety Management. Apart from this, if a person would like to do a level 7 Masters in International Occupational Health and Safety, this course is a stepping stone for that MS Occupational Safety, which you can do on a regular basis from any university in UK. A holder of the International Diploma in Occupational Safety from the British Safety Council will get a lateral entry into the MS program. As a MS program is usually for 3 years, but if you are a holder of this International Diploma, which we call is placed at level 6, you need to study the MS only for 1.5 years. That means you are getting a benefit of lateral entry of 1.5 years studies. Let me talk about this course structure, this international diploma. Basically, it is divided into 3 units. Unit 1 is further divided into element A and element B. Element A is fundamentals of health and safety management. Element B is applied health and safety management. In unit 2, element A is dealing with all the occupational health hazards, and element B deals with risk to health at work. In unit 3, element A is dealing with developing a positive health and safety culture in our organizations, and element B is dealing with developing the business case for health and safety. These are the program overview for this international diploma. When it comes to the examination, obviously it is a qualification, and every qualification does demand an examination. However, you need not be afraid of it. If you prepare well, if you attend the classes regularly and do the assignments and homeworks, you can pass. The examination pattern is like unit 1. It's a 3 hours written exam. The question paper consists of 2 sections, section A and section B. In section A, there will be one question, which is a scenario-based question. You will be given a scenario, some facts and figures, statistics, based on which there will be few questions, and you have to give solution to those questions based on the scenario, and it is marked for 40 marks. And in section B, there are 8 questions for which you can use 2 hours, and total marks is 80 marks. So overall, 3 hours, 120 marks. That is what is unit 1 is all about. And when coming to unit 2, it's a 2.5 hours written exam. Generally you have 10 questions and it is marked for 100 marks. Additionally, you have to do a project work, which is of 5,000 words, based on the unit 2 topics. When coming to unit 3, there is no written exam for unit 3. You have to do a project work of 10,000 words, something like developing a positive culture and making a business case. That's it, is what about unit 3. So these are the examination patterns. Sample question papers, marking schemes, syllabus, everything will be mailed to you for further reference and reading. So further you can read those literature and you can grasp more idea on these examination patterns, etc. And when it comes to result and passing requirement, the result generally is published after 3 months of the exam date. The unit 1, to pass you need 40% in each section, which means section A out of 40 you need to score 16 marks to pass. And in section B, out of 80, you have to score 32 to pass. Unit 2, the passing percentage is 50%. And in the project, you need to score, which is of 5,000 words, you need to score 28 marks out of 64. Here in this unit 2, if you score above 45, suppose your mark is 46, which means you have not crossed that 50% mark, still you will not be declared fail, but you will be kept as something called a refer, there's a class for it. You will be kept on a pending status. So they'll wait for the project. And if you score good marks in the project, they give weightage and you can pass the written exam. In the unit 3 is absolutely the project work, 10,000 words. You need to score 67 out of 120 marks. How to do the project, what are the project methodologies, how you are going to get score pass marks in the project. You have a separate class on these projects. Separately we will conduct a module on each project, like how to prepare the unit 2 project and how to submit it, how to score the marks, which are the area you must concentrate in this unit 2 project. Things will be discussed to you during that project class. Similarly, we will do it for unit 3 also. The project work, we will give you guidance. There is a marking criteria. We will introduce to the marking criteria in each section, how many marks and what you need to score those marks to come to a passing percentage. All these things will be discussed during the project class. So you need not worry about it. Once you attend the project class and you do the project sincerely, you can pass. And you need to devote some time for doing the project with the full involvement, dedication, sincerity. And in other words, whatever you have learned, you are going to reflect in these projects. Once you have learned new concepts and techniques at a higher level in the theory class, the same thing you are going to reflect on your project side. So that is about the passing result and passing requirement. It's all about the need and scope. Why you should do this course, International Diploma in Occupational Safety and Health, conducted by the British Safety Council. Predominantly the audience or the people registering for this course fall in two categories. One is the existing safety professionals. If you have had a chance to work in safety, you have all the basic qualifications, your university qualifications, maybe diploma in fire and safety. You have the additional qualifications like level 3 programs, level 2 programs. Now to enhance the knowledge and come up to a managerial status, you need something at a level 6 qualification, which is equivalent to this International Diploma in Occupational Safety. So as you know, the safety professionals, if you don't update, you become outdated. It may have so happened that you got job maybe 10 years back and you have a 10 years experience in safety, but you are not updated the knowledge in the last 10 years, what happened outside, what are the developments happening in the HSE management systems. Like say for example, we have migrated to the we are migrating to the ISO 45001 standards now. We should know what is the difference between OSAS 18001 and ISO 45001. So like these updates. So once you do an updated course at a higher level, your knowledge will phenomenally increase, and which you can utilize on the job, and you can get more progress in your career. You can reach up to a level of HSE managers, consultants, trainers. Once you have a qualification at an international diploma level, you need not to hesitate to become an auditor or become a trainer or become a safety manager, because that level of knowledge is packed in this program. It's a power-packed program which gives you a very, very in-depth knowledge on each and every aspect of occupational health and safety and the books, the study materials are written in a very simple and plain language of English, easily understandable. So definitely this program is a value addition. It's something like an additional feather on your cap as a HSE professional. Definitely this program is going to help you for a boost up in your career in the days to come. And you will be a confident person saying, yes, I am a diploma holder, I am a safety practitioner. By that way, this is a very good investment for you, for your future as a HSE professional. No doubt about it. Now the second category of people who come to attend this program are completely freshers. We call them beginners, maybe searching for job, maybe after completing a graduate engineering or graduate diploma or a diploma in fire and safety, You like to progress your career, you want to learn more about safety, and then because the world is competitive now, up to level 3, almost many of the candidates, they are holding a certification. Now you want to stand out in that crowd and get through the job. Definitely, if you have an international diploma, you will be you have a cutting edge. Also, some of the beginners I have seen, they are very interested to do the level 7 masters in occupational health and safety from UK universities and then get into the job. Yeah, of course, it is possible. There are many students who have completed the international diploma in occupational safety right after completion of their graduation from the university, and they are presently pursuing the MS occupational safety in UK universities. And some of them already completed and they started working across the world. You're proud to say, yes, I have a level 7 masters in international occupational health and safety. So for beginners to get into the safety profession with a very advanced qualification, you beat the crowd and you crack the chance to enter into this field after completing this international diploma in occupational safety and health. Yeah, of course, by regularly attending to the class. How did you complete your engineering? How did you complete your graduation? Similarly, you attend the class, the concepts will be made clear to you. Every nook and corner of the subject and syllabus is going to be covered by me in the class, in the online class like this. You will be attending my program. Each module you will be attending. You will be given a username, password and time slot, along with a little bit of small assignments so that I can track that you are progressing the course. So in your own time, at home, whenever you are free, open the laptop, connect to the net, or even you can download, you can store it on your laptop and go through the classes, attend the classes. After attending the class, immediately read the chapter in the book. Because in the class, everything cannot be covered. We will be covering only the must-know points in the class online. The should-know points and the could-know points you have to refer from the book. As well as we will tell you during the class so many other external sources of information which you may have to refer. Say for example, we will ask you to visit the ILO website and go through the convention C155, R164. We will guide you how to reach there, how to get. And we may of course ask you to go to the OSHA website and see the OSHA standards, something like 29 CFR 1910, 1926. So like this, as the course progresses, we will also guide you to visit some of the external sources of information along with the book study, and that is how you develop a diploma level qualification, and definitely you can pass the examination. There's nothing wrong in that. So with proper guidance about the subject by expert tutors and yourself dedicatedly attending the program, completing the program, along with doing a self-study, it's a private study, definitely you are going to clear the exam and get this international diploma in occupational safety and health. So, at the fag end of this introduction module today, once again we, Team Safety Catch, we thank each one of you for joining this program through Safety Catch. I know there are many choices for you to study this program, but if you have chosen Safety Catch, you would have really done a study. Really a lot of thought process has gone into it. You may have even checked with your colleagues about the quality of our programs. That is why you have joined us. So it is my duty to just introduce you to Safety Catch. Safety Catch as an organization was started by me. It is my vision. Rather than an organization, it is my vision. In 2010, after completing my terms of engagement with the Indian Air Force, I envisioned to start up a quality safety training organization in India and develop some quality safety professionals at par with the international standards. So initially in 2010, we started giving OSHA training. That time this OSHA 30 hours, since I myself being an OSHA approved trainer, I used to conduct regular batches of this OSHA 30 hours program. I think more than 4,000 to 5,000 students have done OSHA 30 hours from me from 2010 to 2012. And gradually this safety catch was in fact initially started in a 10 by 10 room with one chair, one table and one computer. But due to the willpower, dedication of our staff, we have now become a corporate company, giving industrial safety training to more than 45 corporate companies. We have more than 10 to 12 dedicated trainers with us, more than 20 admin staff working for us. Our corporate office now is in Edappalli, that is Ernakulam. And we have operations across in all over India. Our major clients are the Mumbai Metro, Chennai Metro, Hyderabad Metro, Adani Power, Adani Gas, L&T, Afghans, Gammon, etc. etc. If I have left somebody, please do not mind it. There is a paucity of time. And we have also covered or developed rather more than 10,000 safety professionals till today. When we go for training, sometimes in Saudi Arabia, sometimes in Qatar, we find our safety catch students working as HSC managers, HSC officers in these countries. So definitely safety catch is known for quality and effective training delivery, nothing else. We don't have discounts, we don't have offers, free certifications, we don't believe in that culture. Every certification or qualification must be studied, paid and got. Otherwise that qualification has no value. It is my motto. So you join safety catch for any qualification. As you know, we have a lot of qualifications in our packet bouquet of courses. People join us as beginners and they end up as safety specialists. We have courses from level 2, level 3 up to level 6, suiting for your requirement. And that is how now safety catch is placed. So we are proud as well as we are thankful that you have chosen safety catch to undergo your international diploma program in HSC. Thank you very much. And this is an introductory module. Definitely see you in the next module. Bye. Thank you.